Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to change your Safari homepage. Let's start the video. First, open your Safari browser. Now search for the browser you want to make a homepage. Let's suppose I want to make Google as my homepage. You can see here the Google browser, the Google is open. Now what I have to do, just click on here top left side Safari. Now you can see here preferences, click on preferences. Now here select for general. On general you can see here home page. What you have to do, just select this your Google page link. Now open that preferences and go on general. Now in home page just paste the URL of the google.com your page. Now what you have to do, just click on set to current page. After clicking on set to current page, all set, your google.com is now your current home page of Safari browser. I hope you find this video very useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.